Good morning, and welcome back to the Healthy Fit Journey. Let's talk about starting your day the right way, with a healthy morning routine that doesn't involve your phone. In today's world, it's so tempting to grab your phone the moment you wake up. But what if I told you that putting your phone aside in the morning can drastically improve your mental clarity, focus, and overall well-being? Let me show you how. Step 1. Start with gratitude. As soon as you wake up, take a moment to think of 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as having a good night's sleep or looking forward to your morning coffee. This sets a positive tone for the day. Step 2. Make your bed. This small act gives you an immediate sense of accomplishment and sets the stage for an organized and productive day. Step 3. Hydrate your body. Your body has gone hours without water, so start your morning with a glass of water to rehydrate and wake up your system. Step 4. Move your body. Stretch, do yoga, or take a short walk. Movement increases blood flow, energizes your body, and prepares your mind for the day ahead. Step 5. Journal or plan your day. Take 5 to 10 minutes to write down your goals, priorities, or even how you're feeling. This helps clear your mind and gives you a sense of direction. Step 6. Have a mindful breakfast. Enjoy a nutritious meal without distractions. Focus on the flavors and appreciate the nourishment your food provides. And now, after all that, you can check your phone, if you even feel like it. By starting your day with intention and without distractions, you'll notice a big difference in your energy and focus throughout the day. Give this phone-free morning routine a try, and let me know how it works for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Healthy Fit Journey for more tips on living your best life. See you next time, and have an amazing day.